Yes.
Hello friends, the second problem what the change is there na? I will want to, and one more thing, so many students and think they're telling there is no undo command here, software we can't do come back. We can come back at any stage, you can edit the any value at any time and resolve it here. I will show here. See here the same problem, in the same problem I will come to here. For example, I want to change the boundary condition here. Hello friends, I told you I did one mistake na, the metal property. Can I change that metal property now?
Yes, sir.
I will show here how to edit the metal property here. See here, go to the metal model and check the first ones here, all of you. I want to edit actually instead of 2e5 what to enter actually here. How much here? 7e4 na, 70 gigapascal na, 7e4. I'm right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then coming to the last one, you can edit here 2e5 actually here, 2e5. Okay, I can change like this metal property. You can also change the load also, and you can change the boundary condition also. Anything you can change at any point of. Okay, and you can resolve it and you'll get the correct answers here. Okay, now see initially we got the wrong answers by, because in the beginning in the hurry I taken the wrong value. Okay, that is once again it will be benefited to you also. You are learning here how to edit the any mistakes done by you. Now I'll show how to change the boundary conditions actually here. Hello friends, see here in the boundary condition means load here. What I did actually apply the load actually. Now I want to delete the load here. I want to actually, I want to delete the load, structural load. See here, in the second problem, all of you observe here, in the second problem like this, how to give the like this boundary condition here. Some gap is there na. Hello friends, if gap is there means we are allowing the deformation of the node number 4 to some extent here. Like that I'll show the same problem. You can try, I'll give the procedure for that problem or video later. Now see here, I want to delete, what I'm doing here, I'm not applying here. I want to delete displacement boundary conditions. Where I want to delete actually? Only this right hand here. Okay, right hand are deleted here. Okay, all degree of are deleted actually here. Then go to elements and go to, just check here, nodes. All of you observe here. Plot nodes is there. Then see here. ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ plot forces 1 minute are deleted only at node number 4 actually. Now okay, how to delete you came to know. Now plot elements, now I'll see here, apply here. I told na in the check review how Abhimanyu enters the same way, come back in the same back in the back, that means the same path should come back actually. How we are applying, it should go delete the in the same way. Now once again I show apply the structural displacement boundary conditions. Where are the nodes? Click the node number 2. Earlier you suppose RDF, now remove RDF. I am constrained boundary conditions only UX, and I am allowing UX to only some I will take some 0.15 or 0.3 mm. Okay, there was 3.5 mm is given that problem, or I will do some 1.2 mm. Okay, I am allowing the deformation node number 3 how much? 1.2 mm. Like that you can give the values. Is it clear? Then even problem 2 also clear for you, I think. Now now what are the changes you made na? You can what to do? You can automatically once again resolve it actually. Go to solve current ls. Okay, then you'll get the solution for the what changes made by me. Now you can check the once again solutions. Go to the pre-processing, then go to the counter plot or nodal solutions or least results, nodal solutions. Then see here, all of you observe here, where is the maximum deformation actually here? Earlier it was 0 na, because it is completely fixed there. Okay, completely fixed here. Now because at this node number 4 we given how much deformation? 1.2 given.
1.2 mm.
Okay, then at the deformation at the node number 3 slightly will vary actually here. Okay, if you can see the color code actually, or if you go for least results, if you go for the least results, then nodal solutions and X component. See here, all of you observe here, the values are now changing here. The node number 4 with known deformations 1.2 mm given deformations. Even though the node number 4 it deforms more than 1.2 also, but it is not allowing here. Why? We put a obstacle here. We put a constraint boundary condition there actually here. And the node number 2 is having 0.31 mm deformations. Hello friends, then with this, can I move on to the problem 3 now? 1 and 2 is clear actually, even though I didn't solve the 1 and 2. Okay, but in the question only, I will just explain how many nodes, how many elements. Node number 1, fixed here. The node number 2, at the point of application of load, you take node number 2. Node number 3, change in cross-section area. Node number 3. Node number 4, once again, point of, even though it is a two-stepped bar, how many elements are there here? Element 1, element 2, element 3, and element 4. Okay, there are 4 elements. How many nodes? Node number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyhow, I will send the video of this problem and procedure to you. You can practice later. Now I'll move on to the one more problem here. This vertical bar problem. If vertical bar, generally they'll give the density here. Sorry, in this in the row symbol is missing actually here. Blank symbol is there. The density of the metal is given actually 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 Newton per mm cube actually here. Okay. What is density? You know, your mass per unit volume actually. The body force. Okay. If the body force is given, how to solve these problems? Can we start the problem 3 now? Can I skip the problem 2?
Okay, sir.
Okay, friends. Then I'll move on to the problem 3. One of my friend, he will explain. Okay. I will. What to do? To go to the clear and start new. I don't want to save anything here because it is so many different file formats are there. It will burden your OS. That things are. If you are having sufficient 1 terabyte memory, you can save all the problems if it is required. I don't want to save my. I want to clear and start new problems. Okay, friends. Now fresh. I will move on to the third problem of the bar preferences. Now I will skip the lot of explanations. I will do fast. I think all are following procedure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, structural, then preprocessor, element type, add, okay, add, then a link, because link is used to solve the thrust problem on this one. Then okay, close it. Then preprocessing first step is finished. Then the real constants. See here, because the problem in the exam you won't get like this complete divide actually here. I show the steps here how to convert because in the ANSYS we develop the different element types with all the formulations, equations behind the software actually here. We are assuming only linear element, uniform cross section only. Okay, if the tapered bar is there, what to do? You have to convert into a two-stepped bar here. How we are doing actually, tell me, see here. It is a tapered rectangular plate is there. 1125 plus 725 means mean width is 925 mm. Then after getting here 1125 plus 925 divided by 2 means you'll get the mean width how much? 1025 into thickness 12. Then what is the area of the first one? Because in the ANSYS, if you want to solve like the same tapered cross section means then it comes under the 2D problem. Because if thickness is very less, then if you solve this problem as a 1D means you have to do like this only. You have to convert into uniform bar only. Are you getting, friends? Similarly A2, how to find A2 area? 925 plus this 725 divided by 2, that gives the 825 average width. Always, because rectangle means what is how to calculate area? Width into thickness. Width is 825, thickness of the plate is given 12 mm here. Then 9900. Okay, in the software I want to enter A1, A2 only. I don't, you can't create the tapered plate like this. If you want to create means that comes under the structural problem only 2D. Okay, 2-dimensional plates with some holes. Then I will show here. You can make like this cross section also. Okay, because this is the problems we are calling it is a 1-dimensional bar problems. Okay, tapered bar problems. Then you have to solve like this only. Is it clear? Please remember these two areas to solve the problems. Okay. In this problem, how many node, how many element means? Always I told here the two extreme ends. Okay, one node number 1 and change in area node number 2 and last one is node number 3. Okay, and even at the load is there. Load changing and change in area both are same because the total length of the plate is 1620 divided into 2 equal parts 810 and 810. Okay, then here how many? Only 3 nodes. How many elements? 2 elements only. Okay. Now can I show this problem in the software? Now see here the element type real constant 2 areas are there. Area how much? Tell me anyone please. Area 1 is how much? 12300 millimeter square. Then apply. Then change the second real constant to what to do? 99. Sorry, 9900. Okay, this is the second step is over real constants. Coming to the metal models. Okay, this is not a composite plate. Only one metal is given actually. Structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. It is given how much? You can see the check the problem. Sorry, 210 is given actually. 210 means 2.1 E5. Okay, or 210 E3. Gigapascal is there, na? Megapascal means 1 Newton per mm square. Because we are using all data in mm only. Then I have to convert in Newton per mm square only. Then what is the value actually? Young's model is how much? Tell me.
210 E3.
See here, I told once again this raised and pick button actually. Sometimes I already enter the metal model actually that, but the window is gone to the behind the screen actually. How to bring front? Use this raised and button and enter the X value how much? You can give 2.1 E5 or you can give 210 E3 also. Okay, 210 E3 because out of giga the 10 to the power 6 is used to convert meter Pascal is Newton per meter square to mm square actually here. Okay, then fine. And once again you can enter the Poisson ratio or you can doesn't play any important role in the 1D problems. Okay, it will take default. If it doesn't get anything means it will take the 0. And here no need to create a new say metal 2 metal 3 here. Why? The whole structure is made up of only one material actually. Then one metal model is enough for us. Then close it. Then coming to the modeling. Okay, modeling. Sorry, not machine. Modeling. Create.
Screen is not visible, sir.
Screen is, hello friends. Screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, visible. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Screen is not visible. Yeah, it is visible actually.
Not visible, sir.
Please, what to do? You pinch to Rajshekar Matpati. You click on that, then screen visible. Hello, friends. Actually, in that your Google Meet screen is there, mobile screen.
No, sir. Still not visible.
Okay.
Sir, not visible.
Fine. I'll check it out. Actually, yeah.
Zoom up.
Yeah, because
So,
yeah.
here your screen.
Now, now it is visible. Hello, friends.
Yes.
Now it is visible.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yeah,
Yes,
can
sir.
I continue modeling? The previous 2 steps not require anything, real constants. I want to repeat or I want to continue?
Continue.
Yeah, I will continue. Nodes, inactive coordinate systems, then node number 1. Okay, node number 1 is 0 only. Then apply. Then node number 2. What is the coordinate actually here? Not x-axis, you should give the y-axis actually here. Downward means minus. Okay, minus how much? Minus 810. Minus 810. Then apply. Then node number 3 means how much? Node number 3 means minus 810. Not the same. Minus 810 minus means minus 620. Then apply. Yeah, I thought same thing. 810 means 1620. Hello friends, it is visible na? 3 nodes are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Hello friends, just I will restart my ANSYS that mostly. ANSYS exit ಆಯ್ತು. We can continue another 10 minutes. Hello friends, my screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Luckily, I want to repeat once again. Preferences, structural, I will repeat fast. Then preprocessor, element type, add. Okay, then add, link. Okay, close it. Then after element type, go to the real constant. There are 2 areas are there. 2, add, then okay. Then real constants 1, 2, 3, 00. Okay, then apply. Then change it here 2. Then 9900. Then okay, close it. After real constant, go to the metal properties. Only one metal model is there. Metal model, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. You can give here 210 or you can also enter like this 2.1 into E5. Okay, 200 gigapascal means 2E5. 210 means 2.1 E5. Then okay, and Poisson ratio not required for us. Then coming to modeling, create nodes, active coordinate systems. Then node number 1, apply. Node number 2, don't enter x coordinate, y coordinate, because downward means minus 810. then apply, and node number 3 is where 810 plus 810 means minus how much? 1620.
6.
Or you can write expression, mathematical expression also. Okay, 3 nodes. Now
16, 20.
after nodes, take the elements. Okay, attributes by default always is one and only. Don't because here area has to change, but first element same only, auto numbered. 2 nodes, pick the node number 1 and 2. The first area is there. Then change the attribute here. Material property is same actually. No need to change, because check it here. I didn't enter any second material here, but I change the real constant actually here. Then what to do? Change the attribute, then only get the stepped bar. If it doesn't change as it is, if you draw the second element, then your answer is wrong answers. Okay, then through nodes, then pick the node number 2 and 3. Okay, before proceeding, please check this 3D style and shape here. Go to plot control, style, size and shape. By default, the software developer they made off. Okay, to way to make the burden graphics, then they made it off actually, line diagrams. Now you can make it on, it disappears, but how to get up here? Plot elements. Okay, now it is visible. The 2 areas are there, 2 stepped bar, vertical bar is there. Okay, we are converted here. We are, because I told you, discretization of FEM is what? Converting the given continuum into finite number of known element shapes actually, known elements, because every element has its own characteristic equation is there. Okay, now can I continue? Modeling is finished. Coming to the loads, define loads, sorry, analyst type, not define loads, apply loads, structural, displacement. Only one node is fixed here, top node is fixed here. Select the only one node, Alt UF, then OK. Hello friends, then one force is given at the middle node, node number 2. Okay, okay, then Fy here, vertical load is there, not Fx, Fy, and here how much is there? Downward minus, na? Load how much? Minus 1125. Okay, newtons is there. Then see here, the load, we are applied the point load. Okay, and one more thing is missing here. What is that missing? No one is identified actually here. Hello friends, because it is a vertical bar, I didn't enter the density here. I told na, if anything missing is, you can check it out and go to metal models. Only I enter the what actually here? Only Young's models entered actually, but density, where density here? Here density entered actually here. Please tell me density value how much? 0.52. 0.52 into E minus 10 to the power of minus how much? E minus 5. Okay, this is the density value, Newton per mm cube. Okay, I miss, if you miss any middle property means, we'll get the wrong answers here. We can't validate here, because we can't believe blindly analysis results. We are going to evaluate either a MOM method or even the finite element method actually. You can solve this problem manually also. Okay. Now, then load is over. Now I can solve actually here. Pre-processing is finished. Go to solution, solve, current LS solutions. Then solution is done, and solution is done. Actually, I got the message. Anything is wrong means you get the error message. Then go to the post processor. Before showing all the results, I will first create the stress and strain table. Go to element table, define table, add. Then here enter the stress table, STRESS. Okay, stress table. Then what is the code for stress table? By sequence number. Linear stress LS1 is the code given by the software developers. Then apply. Then similarly strain table STRAIN strain table. What is the code? By sequence number. LEP here, linear elastoplastic elastic strain, LEPL1. Then OK. Then close it. Now go to list result actually. Then you get all the results. See here, element table data means go to element table data, stress and strain. You will get it here. Okay, see here. These are the stress values there, 0.91 into very small stress value because load is very less. Okay, the node number element 1 is a tensile stress is there. I don't know. How much is there? Compressive, how will you get the compressive? Boundary connections in wrong agidya. The compressive stress, how will you get? I think something is wrong actually. Hello friends, you won't get you can't get this compressive stress minus because the stress value is very less here, very small. Zero stress means you may get it late. It's not nothing like that, because the stress, the load is negligible load, even the density is also very less here. Then how to check the nodal displacement actually here? Nodal solutions, DF solutions, not X component here. What actually? Y component. Then okay. See here. These are the deformations. You can check this problem because it is a VTU problems, exertion problems actually. You can compare your results also actually. Then how to get the reaction solutions here? Fy. Because here minus 1125 is the applied load. Newton's third law. Applied load is minus 1125, but what is the reaction force? Plus 1125 newtons. Then our answer is right actually. Our problem is we did wrong. Okay, if you done anything mistake means you won't get the correct reaction force here. Hello friends, this completes getting the least results. There are 4 unknowns is there. Any structural problems always the deformations, nodal deformations, then strain, elemental stress, and support reactions. Okay, in a finite element analysis in design we need all these 4 unknowns here. It may be bar, truss, or whatever the structural problems. Now, similarly can show the plot results, counter plot, nodal solutions, go to the DF solutions, Y component. Okay, then see here, you can show the animations also, go to plot control, animate, deformed results, then okay. Okay, this is how to get the results, animations actually. Hello friends, with this I will conclude my bar. And just one truss problem I show here. It is very similar to the bar only. What difference between bar and truss means? Hello friends, it is clear this problem, vertical bar problem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now.